Okay, bismillah, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi guys, welcome back in this channel. And on this section, we want to doing some project in tutorial 7 as open source platforms. And then before that, I want to explain that OSPF Redistribute study. We will make some area different that router like OSPF and then EGRP, and then in the R2 or R5 router 5 from router 1 to router 5 will be adding the static route that doing the loopback or R1, then we will redistribute static subnet in R2. Okay, let's start it. Okay, turn on the router and then open it. Now we're gonna do giving the IP address and then the interface loopback in the router 4 we're giving the 7 loopback and then giving the router OSPF network and then NGRP. Okay, waiting for this. Okay, no, then no, no. Okay, okay. Enable configuration terminal. Then gonna do IP adding the IP address, then loopback interface internet 0/0, and then the IP address is 12.1.155 IP address 12.1.155.0, and shut down and exit interface loopback 0 IP address 101 100 100 101 155 155 155 okay, exit interface loopback 2 loopback 1 IP address 100 100 102 155 155 155 then the file loopback to IP address 100 100 103 155 155 155 then interface loopback 3 IP address 100 100 100 4 155 155 155 then until the internet interface loopback 7. Interface loopback 7 IP address 100 100 108 155 155 255 and okay. Now Oh yeah, I think I forgot to giving the router ID of the giving the space of that area in loopback 0. The first loopback 0. IP address, no IP address, no IP address 100, 100, 100, 155, okay. IP address 111. This is for giving the router ID that change or that's name it for that in router OSPF. We're gonna do router OSPF. Wait, router OSPF 1, then router ID 1111, and then network 1100 area 0, network 111 000 area 0, and then network 12 12 12 12 1 000 155 area 0. Wrong. Okay, then now we're gonna do adding the interface loopback 2, 3, and 4 to the area 100, and then the distribute HRP down subnets, then exit network 100 100 100 2, and then 000 area 100, the network 3, and then 4. Okay, now we're gonna do redistribute HRP 10 subnet, redistribute HRP 10 subnet. Okay, and then exit, go to the HRP router HRP 10, and then now gonna do given network from the loopback 4 until 7. Network 100 100 100 5 0 0 0 0 6 and 7, and then 8, and now auto summary. Okay, then exit. Now we're gonna do a configuration in router 5. Enable configuration terminal. We're gonna do IP, heading the IP address, loopback, and then OSPF, just OSPF. IP address, interface header 0 to 0, IP address 12 12 12 2, 255 255 255 0, then I shutdown address, then I shutdown, and that's it. Interface header 0/1, IP address 200 IP address, and then 23 23 23 1 255 255 250 shutdown, and that's it. Now we're gonna do router OSPF 1. Oh yeah, don't forget to adding the IP loopback for the router ID. Forget it. IP the first loopback 0, IP address 2222 255 255 and then exit. The router SPF1 router ID 222. What the function of router ID? This is a function of how that means how that uh, they look the router. They choosing the area by the router ID. Network 222, and then area no area 0, network 12 12 12 2, area 0, then network 23 23 23 1 100 0 0 0, area 1. Okay, while adding the area 1, this is our different of the area in OSPF. Okay, now go to the router 3 and adding the adding the OSPF and look back table covering the terminal interface address 0 IP address 23 23 2 255 255 no shutdown and exit interface loopback IP address 5 exit. Now just return SPF1 network router ID network area 0 and network area 1, then exit. Now kita do config redistribute in R2 IP root IP root IP root 100 100 100 100 100 100 5, and then now we're gonna do subset mask, don't forget it, and then 12 12 1. Okay, Z, then router SPF 2, and then redistribute static subnet, then exit. Now I'm gonna do checking routing table in R3. Routing table do show IP route. Yeah, as you can see, there's some EA are internal. EA is as SPF inter area. Then A2 is the A2 is the SPF external type. and then it become automatic or to gain the at the first stage, and the status it will be the etu. Yeah, that's SPF external. Okay, maybe this all for me. I'm sorry if after mistake. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye guys. In next video. Bye.